Welcome to Indian Market in Minutes from Motilal Oswal Research Desk. We will be covering technical and derivatives SII's activity, index, actionable sectors and stocks to watch out. So stay tuned till the end.
Hey, this is your host Shivangi Sarda Malpani, and to start with our first segment for Friday, 19 December 2025, Nifty index opened negative but attempted recovery to cross 25,900 but failed to hold at higher zone. It gave up strength in the second half and fell to 25,700. Index has been witnessing a tug-of-war between the bulls and bears from the last few trading sessions. It formed a small-bodied bullish candle on the daily frame with longer upper shadow, indicating that pressure is intact at the highest zones and is continuously making lower highs, lower lows from the last 4 sessions. India VIX was down by 1.3% to 9.7 levels. Nifty put call ratio increased to 0.83. Option data suggests a broader trading range in between 25,300 to 26,200. While immediate range is in between 25,600 to 26,000 levels. Moving on to the second segment in the equity cash market, FIIs were net buyers to the tune of 614 crores, while DIIs were buyers worth 2,526 crores. FII's index long-short ratio is hovering near 8%. Going ahead with the index actionable, derivatives data and price setup suggest till the time Nifty holds below 25,900, weakness could be seen towards 25,700 zones, while hurdles have shifted lower to 26,000 levels. Till the time Bank Nifty holds below 59,000, weakness could be seen towards 58,500, while on the upside, hurdle can be seen at 59,500. And finally, talking about the sectors and stocks to watch out, positive setup can be seen in Hindustan Zinc, Ashok Leyland, TCS, Voltas, Federal Bank and Laurus Labs, while some weakness could be seen in Bandhan Bank, Sonacoms, Piramal Pharma, Keynes, RVNL and Asian Paints. Wish you a super day ahead. Shivangi Sarda Malpani signing off. Follow this podcast for solid advice.
Investment and securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.